Hi, Chef Chase. Today is gonna show you how to make a Oakdale Roll today. And then today is actually a couple more days for us to be over at this location right now. So we're gonna miss you guys. And I hope you enjoy this Oakdale since we're still in Oakdale. This is the Oakdale Roll. I'm showing you how it's made. You can watch it how it's done. And we've been enjoying it for the last 10 plus year in Oakdale. Thank you for your supporting, and we're gonna miss my car too. So, and at this point, what it is. Hopefully, we'll see you in the next location. Hopefully, we could find another spot to go in soon. So make sure you subscribe on the YouTube channel, and I will do update time to time from there. And I hope you enjoy this roll. So you can see how it's made already, and we're gonna put it on to a plate. So let me get some room to put it. That's how we laid it, and we're gonna put the sauce on. And then put the top sauce on. And put a little garnish on the top. Well, this is how Oakdale is made. Oakdale Roll is made. I hope you enjoy it, and you guys have a nice day. And we only have a couple more days to see you guys. Thank you very much. You have a nice day, huh? Thank you.